How do we let go of our hope and dreams in a relationship that almost happened? The almost relationship. The one that we didn't have, we were almost there. It could have happened, but a detour happened. Something else got in the way. They bailed, they went back to an ex, we were separated due to location, time, jobs, whatever. It could have happened, but it didn't. How do you let go of that dream, that relationship that you could feel, touch, see, and you were so perched and ready to jump in because it's been a while and this was a good one and you could see it. And that is the reason it hurts to let go. Hi there, I'm Susan Winter, and I'm here to talk about the dream and how we get hooked. The almost relationship that really nobody's helping you to get out of because they think you're kind of silly for investing in something that was just such a long shot or so brief. You just briefly met and separated. You just briefly got a smile. It's the relationship that didn't occur, the one that you are pining over so desperately because you know why? It keyed into everything you want, and your little mind went running way ahead of the arc of time of involvement. So let me describe how this happens. When we meet somebody that suddenly ignites our dream, our fantasy, our desire of what we want to achieve in a partnership, they're warm, they're friendly, they're kind. Maybe we think they're available only to discover they're not. Maybe we think they're staying where we are in the US or in Europe or wherever we are and they're not. Maybe all these things that we think they're available and we discover they're not. All these things occur and we get excited. So we launch forward into our dream. We see enough of this kind of a pointillistic picture that we're going to paint in all the rest of the colors because we just want to. It's been so long, it's so close. I just want it. And we leap forward. But we are not in alignment with the arc of the time period of the evolution of a real relationship to occur. We are off. The pace of what we are seeing and discovering with this person, we're way ahead. And because we jumped the gun, we mourn the relationship that didn't occur. Because we went there, we went into our fantasy. And I know you're not getting support from your friends. They're like, "Oh, get over it. It was just like one conversation. You just thought you connected. That was a weekend. You had great sex. Just let it go. Oh, dude, you met her on vacation. Everybody just like hooks up. That doesn't mean anything." So you get close and you don't get it. So here's how I would flip that. One, it didn't occur. Let go of that. You cannot get where you want to go if you're clinging to something that is the carcass of a relationship that did not occur. Okay? And far too many people get caught in that and hang on forever, and they stop seeing what's right in front of them. They stop looking at the people that are already interested in them. They don't go on the dates they could have gone on because they're grabbing onto the carcass of this thing that they wanted. Let go. Let life take you, acknowledge it, do your due diligence, do a little bit of research on how you got there, what you projected, why you were captured, why your internal frailty was such that you were so vulnerable to want this one. And especially pay close attention to the hopes and dreams that you projected onto this person. And then do the analysis. What was it about them? Ooh, did they seem really excited about travel? Yeah, I love travel too. They seemed like they were adventurous. Oh my goodness, I want an adventurous relationship. See, this will show you even dreams that you didn't know you had. Really analyze what was the hook? Where did your mind go? Doesn't mean you can't have it. We thank them. We thank them for illuminating what maybe you didn't even know you want that so excited you because you went there. You jumped the arc of reality and went into your fantasy. You jumped the arc of the evolution of getting to know this person to create a scenario way in the future. Okay? So knowing that now, one, frees you from them being the one and only, oh my God, they're the one that got away, that could have happened. No. When you isolate what you learned, what you've discovered, this is vital information. Then you start here in the present moment. Look at it, dissect it, put it into your love model in your mind. Think about that and go out into the real world and open your eyes to the people you meet and be looking for, I like that quality. This is what I saw that I jumped on. I really like this about them. And now you are noticing from an empowered position what you would like to experience. And you are going to lean back a little bit and see if they actually bring it forward. And then you are going to watch the pace and the arc of the evolution of getting to know this person, that you are going to try to stay emotionally connected to the exact arc of the pattern here. Okay, we're going to try to pace ourselves to not jump ahead and make it be something we want only to be kicked off the ride and discover that, oh, we lost the whole thing. So that's the way to recover from a love that never happened, a dream that was never born. This is it. So please go back over the steps to do this that I've listed here. It will really help you. So many times life is trying to aid us. It will put us in a situation and snatch it from us. And we're like, you are so cruel. I hate you, life. Why did you show me that and not give it to me? I know, because I've been there. I said the same thing. But this is where we have to go back and say, okay, you took it away. What are you trying to show me? What do I need to notice? Because that is a big tap on the shoulder. That's a smack across the room. So it's a wake-up call. What do you want me to see? What am I supposed to be looking for? Because that was not your person, even though you want it to be your person. These additional pieces are pieces of the puzzle that you're here to fill in so that you get more of a complete description and impression of how to notice your partner when they show up. And without that little daydream, hope, love that got away in your mind, you wouldn't have recognized the thing that will attract you, okay, to the person that really has it and has it to offer you. So please do this work because it dispels that myth. It dispels that, oh my God, they got away. No, you'll be way past it. You'll be confident, empowered, and aware. I hope this helps you. Susan Winter for SusanWinter.net. You want more information on this? Chat me up. Let's do a consultation. Go to my website, take a look at the resources. Tune into the Susan Winter Show, streaming on podcasts on all of your major channels. You can hear all of this while you're driving and hear a lot of stuff that you don't see in the videos. Thanks, everyone, and best wishes.